Ni kama amekwaza walikuwa wanafuata, si ndio?
Nigiko gya GUIKIO ngono kwa uria wari mumbunge wa gicigo kia Nandi Hills Alfred Keter muthenya wa ira kuria raikirio ngono na njira ya kuhuthira hinya makanitha-ini hamwe na family yake. Umuthi uyu Keter kinya wabici-ini nene cia ruhonge rwa DCI niguo kwandikithia ndumiriri akirehwo ni atongoria kuma ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja matongoretio ni mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka. Hĩndĩ gĩkĩro na andĩki a mohoro Keter agatariria ati maabitha uthuthuria maramukuruhania na kunyitanira na atongoria ta uria wari president wa kana Uhuru Kenyatta hari kwagagia thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza mahitia maya makigia na utiganu na mahitia ma gucogera ngui maria ruhonge ruru ramurikithitie Keter muthi wa ira.
Questions that I was asked, one of it is my relationship with the former president Uhuru Kenyatta and my relationship with the current deputy president, and then issues to do with arms from Congo. I think it is a movie. How do you use a fake number plate on civilian with a mask? How will we identify you as a police officer? And they are not even coming to say we are police officers from so when on. They just abducted me that way.
This business must stop. Of people being abducted, you take your telephones, and all the laws against privacy which are constitutionally guaranteed get violated.
Keter uria kwa ihinda iraya utakoretwo akiona na uthio kwa uthio na President Ruto agatariria GUIKIO ngono gwake ta giko gia thoni kiria kirahanikire mbere ya ciana ciake na mutumia wake.
We respect the law. Just someone else will appear the way we appear this morning, and I think make it in a manner that you don't have to involve our families, so that you want to bring us down emotionally completely to finish us. My children are traumatized. They didn't sleep last night. They've been taken to hospital because they have to meet. They have to go through a counseling process.
What explanation can you give to a 12-year child who is asking very hard questions?
He clearly was telling the then regime that do anything to me as Ruto, but do not touch my children. Leave my children alone. Yesterday, what he did to Keter's family, it is so disrespectful.
Mutugo wa thirikari gukuruhanio na unyitani migwateo kamenererio ni atongoria aya mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka agiokirira ruhonge rwa borithi ni kuhuthika ni atongoria thirikari-ini.
It's a real dictatorship, and we still insist that the young Kenyans who are demonstrating out there must be allowed to exercise their constitutional duty.
Despite the promises that were made by Ruto during the campaign, he is still maintaining police hit squads, people who are not even known to the police. And they are the ones conducting these abductions. At least for Alfred Keter, there were people there to film it.
Let him engage the Gen Z that he didn't engage, that he promised to engage, but he should not hide behind the military. Let him remove the military from our streets.
Ningi atongoria ni magwetete thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ta thirikari ya maheni gwa kinyani na baya aria makuite mirurungano-ini riu makiuga na mbere iraheanwe rithi gukira uria kuri.
When he's not flying, he's lying. I think this, since the Gen Z happened, this is the longest he has been in the country without flying. But he's doing a lot of lying, as we saw last night. He had lied about the number of people who were killed. He said there were only 6. Yesterday on national television, he acknowledged that number was triple the number he had told the country before. And when he says there are 19, then you need to triple that number.
Ona thengi ya Keter gwikinyia guku ruhonge rwa DCI rutina mwandikira mahitia o mothe mangimucungiriria kurugamio bao-ini riu akirekererio hatari thitango. Handu ni KABERE TV retoro kwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.